Hi guys, this is the group trumpet video for Hail to the Huskies. First, before we play it through, we're going to run over some things. First off, reminder that the song is in 2/4 with no sharps and no flats in the key signature. Additionally, even though those 16th notes are slurred, make sure to play them in time. They should not sound like a trill. That's very important for this one. Remember that there should be space in between your notes, accents need to be weighted, and staccatos should be short and punctuated. With these things in mind, we're going to play through the song at met of 112 BPM first at a slower tempo, and then we're going to play it again at 132. Okay, we're going to play through Hail to the Huskies at 112 BPM. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Two, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. This is Hail to the Huskies at show tempo, which is 132 beats per minute. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Two, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2.